Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 11b question 1, and in this video I'm going to do parts A and B. So in this section, we are going to integrate some functions by using a technique which is sort of like the reverse chain rule. So the chain rule that we have in differentiation, but here we have sort of the reverse of that. So it's not exactly the same thing to say it's the reverse chain rule. But anyway, so what we do here is that so if you look at the first example when we have sine 2x plus 1, so we always we can think of this as two functions. So sine is like the main function here, so we have sine of something, so sine is like the main or outer function, and then we also have a nested function that is, in this case is a linear function. So we have sine of something, that's the main function, and then we have a nested function, which is this linear function. So the approach is always that we differentiate the nested function, and then that becomes the reciprocal of the derivative, becomes the coefficient. So for example, in this case, 2x plus 1 differentiates to 2, so the reciprocal of the derivative, which is 2, is going to be 1 over 2, so that becomes the coefficient of the integral. And then we integrate the outer function, so sine of something, we don't care about something because we have already integrated that. So sine itself integrates to minus cos. So that means we are going to get minus cos, and obviously we just rewrite the function again. So 2x plus 1 plus c. So this is the derivative. Sorry, when we integrate, we'll get minus a half cos 2x plus 1 plus c. And that's how we can integrate functions like this. Now in the next part, we have the integral of 3e to the power of 2x. Again, so the main function is e, is the exponential function, and then the nested function here is this, again, linear function 2x. So we differentiate 2x, which is 2, so the reciprocal of that is a half, that times, then we integrate the outer function, which is just 3e to the power of something. So 3e to the power of something is, it just integrates to 3e with the same power, right? So it's going to be like this. And we also have the constant of integration. And this can be written as 3 over 2e to the 2x plus c.